Hi guys, mag-house tour lang tayo eh. Kaya ito yung street namin. Ayan, street. And then yan yung front. And I'll show you around. So that's our house there. And we have this, the garage is just right there. Beans. Hi guys, today is very nice and sunny. So 3 years ago, how do you call that day? Baluster? That one. That one. That one, that brown thing you can see. Where is it? That was brown, old brown 3 years ago, and now it's faded, so we're gonna do some painting. So we're gonna wash it first and then paint. So it's gonna be a fun day. It's gonna be really hot today. Look at the sky, it's so blue. So we are just setting up the ladders and time to do some work. Life in Australia, if you have a lot of money, you can pay someone to do it, but why not do it when you have a day off? Save some money for travel to Philippines. So guys, join me. Dili ka dong, hawid dili dong. Piste! Mas.
Dali na
Sige, patro dito. Yeah, that's better. Ayaw ba? Hold, huh?
Yeah.
You stay there because against the light. Oh my God.
It's not going to go anywhere.
You stay there. Hawi ba dong kay agay mga hulog tani kabuan.
That's why you're wearing flip-flops on the ladder.
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Alam mo, it's very high.
Come on.
Ay! Ah! Oh my God.
You're too far forward.
No, I can't reach them. And how are we gonna paint that thing? Yeah. Hey! You think it's gonna come off? Maybe just paint it straight away.
There's dust on there, honey. You gotta wet it down first, dear.
Well, the timber's coming off.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's all paint, dear. You give water, dear. Water needs water. A lot of water. Do it here.
Okay!
Give it here.
La, la, la.
That's what I mean. Give it here. No, that. I'll change it. Hang on, Dad. Grab that dong. Pass it here.
Stop!
That's it, see?
So you don't need that. Speed lap! I'm gonna wet myself. Okay, I need to back out a bit. Oh my goodness.
I told you to come back out.
Hurry down!
Where it was the best.
I know. Put it back. Yeah. Now this needs a pressure. What's the pressure on it?
That's it.
Huh? Don't
No, give it here.
squirt on me.
Hang on.
No, yeah, that one. No, back. That one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that one. Is it recording? Oh. Hold on.
What's dong boot scooting?
How we doing?
Not gonna go anywhere, dear.
Huh?
Not gonna go anywhere.
Well, it's scary.
Because flip-flops, get up higher. Let's see it. That's it. That's all you do, huh? Just don't get the top wet. Don't get the plus.
Oh, it's already wet.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
I got just off balance then. Ah! It's so wet.
Here, hon. Come here.
Guys,
Pressure washer, it went straight off.
it's so hot. Surrendered. I let my brother do it. I've done half of it, and brother's gonna do the half. Okay, you got.
Huh?
I got you.
Huh?
I got you a little. So we will clean that one first, and then we'll let it dry, and then we started painting. Maybe tomorrow. Guys, it's getting really hot, so we just painted half of it, and tomorrow will be the rest. So that's another half, and the rest are there. So we're gonna do the rest tomorrow. So that looks pretty good at the moment. Huh? What? Oh, I saw. So we'll finish it off tomorrow. Oh my God, let's do the painting.
Which doesn't drip everywhere.
Just drop it there and pass it to me, Lagi.
No, just wipe one side, let's go.
No, it's dribbling. Didn't even work. Ay. My God, it's windy. This is like putting a nail polish. The wind's blowing me over.
You look so stiff.
I am. Just imagine I'll be in here. Look, oh my God. You can see the black spots.
Oh, let's just go straight over again. Give one coat. Oh, dripping everywhere.
I can't do this. This is not my department.
Here, hon. Swap here.
Guys, we finished painting the thing, and now that's the result. So from being faded, and that one's the end product. So it's just a bit bright at the moment, guys, so I'll show you closely. So yes, that's the end product. It's just very dusty now because it rained a lot the other day, and yeah. So this one here, they also painted the door. So let's try peeling off this, because we painted this one as well. Oops. Uh-oh. Anyway, so that is the finished product. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.